welcome to my life. Honestly, you are not lying, no, honestly. In the Boski, I don't have school, they don't like education. They like markets, business. This is why, like you said. Jesse Santos, hello. Hello. Quilindo Soriso. I bet which language is this one? Now don't start. You speak English. Speak English or interpret this in English language. I don't understand. Which one be Quilindo Sorisco? Is this French or German? Which language is this? Hi guys, welcome to my live. Say hi, let me give you a shout out. If you are live with me, say hi, let me give you a shout out. URSTUVWXYZ. Now I know my ABC. Yes, I want to sing with me. You're singing ABC. Auntie Rachel. She's singing for you. Now Anambra women, they go school. Their biggest university campus are Onitsha Main Market and Alaba Motor Spare Parts and Computer Market in Lagos. This Mr. Sam, eh? Honestly, I don't know what I want to give you like this. Well, not too much for this country. Oh. It's a charm. Honestly, I don't know what to give you like this. Mr. Sam say their biggest this thing, universities on the Chama markets and Alaba International Spare Parts and Computer Market in Lagos. You are a very funny person, sir. It is well. Yes, so you are not right. You are not wrong, Sha. It's true. That's right. Jesse Santos, Eso Setoro, Morena Linda. Abeg, what is the meaning of this? And which language is this? I don't get it. Speak English. I only speak English, please. I don't speak French.